There you go. Okay, put it in very carefully. Yeah, there we go. Oh. Yeah. Watch your head, bud. You okay? Oh, be careful, not too much, just a little bit. There is more, you got a lot more, look at all that. Okay, leave it over there. A lot. Wow, look at you go. Whoa, don't knock the pile over. Is it getting bigger? Daddy's trying to make it very, very slowly bigger, okay? Is he going? Is he going? Let's make it higher. Go down. Whoopsie. You are messy. You have a little bit of sawdust. Slowly in. Bless you. Okay, now let's look at it from above. Ready? There it is. Okay? The end.
Mash it.
Yep, mash it.